here, our shack barbecue and other things. Well, for today's cook, I'm going to be doing grilled portobello mushrooms, stuffed mushrooms. And I'll go over the ingredients as I prepare everything. And then along with them, they're going to be a side dish. I always thought I should have been born in Texas because I love steak, love beef, like pork too, love pork. But anyway, I'm going to do a couple of ribeyes also. And I'm going to use a grill that I haven't used all summer long on this. I think all backyard barbecues should have at least one of these in their arsenal of cookers. Anyway, what do you say we get into this portobello stuffed mushrooms and steak cook-off?
Regulators. We regulate any stealing of his property. We're damn good, too. But you can't be any geek off the street. Gotta be handy with the steel, if you know what I mean. Earn your keep.
Regulators! Mount up!
cut into this steak and see what we have here. Hoping for medium rare to rare. Oh, look at that. Nice and pink. Perfect. Get ourselves a little bite here. See what she tastes like. See if we can get a good shot of how nice and pink this is. Right there. Perfectly cooked. Let's taste it. Cheers. Definitely can taste the kind of the smoky flavor off the grill. That's really good. With that kind of that marinade lemon, get a little bit of that in there. A little bit of the Worcester sauce, not much. Can't really taste the soy sauce. Not very salty at all, but perfectly cooked. It's really good. Now let's just look at those mushrooms. So here is our portobello mushroom with that special stuffing and mozzarella cheese and then little tomatoes on top of it. Let's cut into it and see what it tastes like. Get ourselves a bite here. All right. Cheers. Mushroom, portobello stuffed. Oh yeah, you definitely want to try this. That is awesome. The flavors, wow. That is so good. That's like a meal in itself. Oh, I don't know how I'm going to eat all this. Maybe because I'm a big guy I can do it, but that is awesome. I recommend you do this recipe. I'll have all the ingredients. Kind of eyeball the actual amounts I put in there because I really didn't measure anything. But let me tell you, this is perfect. So good. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and as like always, grill on.